Hey everyone, welcome back to the Artisan Revival by A&K, where we turn plain wood into pure magic. Today we're making a wooden lamp that looks like it's straight out of a Tom and Jerry cartoon. Yes, the one that looks like a giant chunk of cheese. So grab your saws, drills, and your sense of humor, because this is going to be fun. First things first, I grabbed some 2 by 1/2 inch wooden strips and cut them down to 1 foot each. Yep, all by hand with a saw. Because who needs fancy machines when you have determination and a little bit of muscle? We need 4 pieces for the front and back and 3 pieces for the sides. It's like building a tiny wooden fence for our lamp. Now I took a small scrap piece to join those 4 front pieces and 4 back pieces. Then I did the same with 3 pieces for the sides. After that, I connected everything into a box using 2 more pieces. Screws? Oh yeah, I used 1.2 inch screws. 2 on each side for extra strength because this baby needs to last through all my clumsy moments. To hide those screws and give the lamp a classy shape, I glued on some D-shaped wooden strips on the top and bottom corners. Then I wrapped the corners with paper tape, because nothing says professional like a little tape magic. Once the glue dried, I peeled off the tape, revealing a smooth, sleek frame. Now the fun part, drilling holes all over to make it look like Swiss cheese. I used drill bits of different sizes to get that authentic cartoon cheese vibe. If Tom and Jerry ever needed a nightlight, this would be it. After drilling, I gave the lamp a rough sanding to smooth out any splits or rough edges. Okay, confession time. I tried to cut the top corners at a 45-degree angle for a clean finish, but let's just say it didn't go as planned. But hey, for us newbies, wood glue and wood dust are lifesavers. I filled the gaps, sanded it smooth, and voila! No one will ever know my little secret. Next up, the base! I used the same wood and a slim, smart light bulb holder. I did the wiring first, because safety first, folks. Then I secured the bulb holder onto the base and dry fitted everything to check the fit. It's like putting together a puzzle, but with electricity. Sandpaper is like the fairy godmother of woodworking. It turns rough wood into a smooth masterpiece. With the glue dry, I gave the whole lamp one last sanding from top to bottom, especially around those holes that give it character. I started with 100 grit and worked my way up to 220 for that perfect finish. Then came the color. I thought about doing a natural burnt wood look, but decided to get creative with some black and white paint for a bold, modern twist. Black inside, white outside. Classy and cheesy at the same time. To protect all that hard work, I applied a color protection agent. Once dry, I assembled the base and top with a brand new, stylish bulb. And here it is, the final masterpiece. A lamp that's not just a light source, but a conversation starter. Perfect for any Tom and Jerry fan or anyone who loves quirky home decor. Thanks for hanging out with me on this woodworking adventure. If you enjoyed watching me turn wood into cheese, I mean a lamp, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next project. Until next time, keep creating and keep laughing.